In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find remote jobs on LinkedIn in just 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to start a new remote career or you're an experienced professional seeking flexible work arrangements, LinkedIn is a fantastic resource, and we'll guide you through the simple steps to get you started. First, let's head over to LinkedIn. Open your web browser and type in linkedin.com, then press enter. LinkedIn will be your gateway to discovering countless remote job opportunities tailored to your skills and preferences. It's important to ensure that you've got an account set up. If you don't have one already, take a moment to sign up, as it's essential for accessing all the platform's features. Once you've reached the LinkedIn website, locate and click the Sign In button. This can usually be found at the top right-hand corner of the homepage. Enter your email and password to log in. If you happen to be automatically logged in, you'll be directly taken to your homepage, where you can begin navigating with ease. Once you're signed in, you'll land on the LinkedIn homepage. This is your base station for all the networking activities you'll undertake. On this page, you can see updates from your connections, trending industry news, and more. But for now, let's focus on the job search feature, which is our primary target today. Next, direct your attention to the top navigation bar and click on the Jobs option. This will take you to a dedicated space for job listings, tailored recommendations, and job alerts. Here you can save jobs that you're interested in, apply to positions, and even see how well your profile matches job postings based on the skills listed by employers. In the search bar, you'll want to enter the term remote, followed by any specific field you might be interested in, such as remote marketing or remote software development. LinkedIn's search algorithms will present you with a tailored list of remote job openings that match your query. This search engine is powerful, so feel free to narrow your search by filtering results based on location, experience level, or time of posting for the most relevant opportunities. There's nothing stopping you from exploring the world of remote work now. LinkedIn provides a robust platform for job seekers, complete with insights, connections, and the opportunities you need to advance in your career. In addition to actively applying, consider reaching out and connecting with professionals in your field, or liking and commenting on relevant posts to increase your visibility. Remember, the key to a successful job search is persistence and leveraging the right tools, and LinkedIn is certainly among the most effective tools at your disposal. That's it. Easy, right? Now, get started on your journey to finding that perfect remote position with confidence.